Welcome to Contour HD, the smallest and lightest hands-free video camera in the world. We revolutionized the way people shoot and share video by creating the first wearable HD video camera. Weighing in at just 4.3 ounces, it's so small it virtually disappears. The low-profile design and patented T-rail mounting system make it easy for you to slide and lock your camera to your body, equipment, or vehicle. The Contour HD captures beautiful 1080p video. It utilizes a 135-degree wide-angle lens, delivering full HD video that captures all the action with minimal distortion or fisheye. The unique dual laser alignment system helps you line up your shot no matter where it's placed, and the one-button record operation makes it easy to switch it on or off. The camera has 3 different resolutions and 2 frame rates so that you can get the shot that best captures your activity. Full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second, Tall HD 960p at 30 frames per second, for those sports that require capturing a taller image over the wide shot of Full HD. Action HD 720p at 60 frames per second, for when frame rate is more important than resolution. The perfect setting to capture the fastest action. It reduces blur and the rolling shutter effect. Contour 720p at 30 frames per second. This setting gives you the most record time, but shoots 720p rather than the full 1080p resolution. The omnidirectional microphone captures the sound of the ride while keeping wind noise to an absolute minimum. AAC audio compression and a bottom-facing microphone make sure you hear every whisper or every scream. The internal micro SD card captures hours of HD content. Now, the camera comes with a 2 GB card, but you can upgrade to a 32 GB card that will give you over 8 hours of full HD. We also provide the tools to download videos from your camera to your computer in just a few clicks. Editing is as simple as hitting an awesome button to feature the very best parts of your story. Add a title, description, tags, and the location of your video. You create the story, and we give you the platform to tell thousands of members just like you. When you want to share to more than your friends on Contour.com, we provide the tools to share to all of your favorite social media sites.
Welcome to Taipei.
Wow.
I'm gonna tune back in once we get back down.
That right there, folks, is how it's done.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.